Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to verify your Facebook page. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app and ensure you're logged into your account. Once you land on the home page, navigate to the menu page. Scroll down and select Help and Support. Then, click on Help Center. In the Help Center, use the search box to type Request a Verification Badge. Click on the option Request a Verified Badge on Facebook. You can verify your Facebook account for the verification badge or meet the criteria to verify your account. The Meta Verified badge confirms that an account is the authentic presence for a person or brand. Meta Verified is a paid subscription service that validates and authenticates the account. This subscription includes a bundle of features and benefits available for both eligible profiles and businesses. If you simply want to verify your Facebook page, go to this section and click on Fill out this form to verify your page or profile. Click on the Page option. You will need to provide some information. For step 1, confirm authenticity by clicking on the drop-down menu and selecting your document type. Then click on Choose Files to upload your document. For step 2, confirm notability. Click on the drop-down menu for Category and select the appropriate category. Next, type in your country name. In the orange section, describe the audience that follows your page or profile. Scroll down to the Links section. Here, you can add up to 5 articles, social media accounts, and other links that demonstrate your profile or page is of public interest. Once you've filled in all the required information, click on Send. With that, you have requested verification for your Facebook page. If you want to get Meta verified, go to the menu page and click on the Settings icon. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy page. Now, open your Account Center. Scroll down to find the option for Meta Verified. Click on it and follow the prompts to complete the process. To get Meta Verified on your Facebook account, you'll need to meet the following requirements. You can review the requirements listed here. If you meet them, you can apply for Meta Verification. Note that the Meta Verification process is not available in all regions yet and is currently limited to certain areas. If Meta Verification is not available in your country, you can join the waitlist for the verification process. And that's how you can easily verify your Facebook page. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.